Like trying to get to work, try to be a superhero.
And if you was working, you'd be doing the same thing. I already know.
I would keep my ass at home.
Yeah, okay.
I'm staying at home.
I already know you.
They said if you can't be out,
you're a worker bee.
Yeah, but if you ain't gotta be out, don't be out.
But if they needed you at work, trust me, you would be there.
Yeah, well, I hope you gotta change your clothes.
I got stuff at work, and I just bought me a pair of sweatpants just in case.
Yeah, don't they put y'all up anyway?
They don't do like they used to.
At the hospital, they used to put y'all up.
They used to. They don't really do that anymore. Because now, they rarely have hospital beds.
Well, you tell them, y'all find me a motherfucking bed if y'all want me to stay overnight. Ain't nobody coming in. All the people that live close should be the ones that go in.
But they don't. They don't come to work when it's a good day. See, I don't mind doing the snow. But when it comes to ice, that's a whole different ballgame right there.
Yeah, well, right now, we just in the beginning stages.
I can't do ice.
Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Just take it nice and slow, ease into the gas. Try to stay on the powder shit.
That's what I would have did. Just
I wouldn't have let you go out by yourself. I was like, fuck.
No, but I've driven this before.
Yeah, true, but you gotta let the man take charge. This is man type shit. This is man type shit. See, if I get stuck, I can get out and walk.
Yeah, like what I would have did is I would have carried the shovel. If I got stuck, I would have just shoveled around my tires and got back in.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. You do that. But right now, I'm getting your ass to work. You want to go to work? I'm taking you to work.
Plus, it's Russell's weekend. I don't mind working with Russell.
You think the motherfuckers care about you?
It ain't really about that, Brian. It's about I can use that money, to be honest.
Shit, we can all use money, but damn, getting stuck in the snow, is it worth it? Well, we know how you dedicated to your job. I understand. I get that. We'll get you a Wonder Woman cape. We'll get you that Wonder Woman cape. All right, y'all. Let me get her to work so I can concentrate on this thing. But y'all see how beautiful? It's beautiful outside now. Don't get me wrong. It's beautiful.
But you know what, though? If I was at work, I wouldn't want people to leave all that on me. It's like...
We taking that. We taking that light, baby. We taking that light.
Oh, Dunkin' Donuts is over there?
Oh, Dunkin' Donuts, the motherfuckers is dedicated.
We can hit the one down here.
What, so you can get your people some donuts? Oh, look at you. Look at you. Get your people some donuts.
We don't have...
You ain't got nobody to bring stuff in.
We don't have nothing cooked to eat.
They shutting all the delivery shit down today. That's what they said. Ain't nobody coming out here. Well, luckily we only got like a stretch. You go up and come back. I ain't got too many back roads to hit.
Right.
So I'm good. As long as I keep it at 25, 30 and ease in the gas. We got good tires on Blue. What we gonna call it? Blue?
Blue.
On get us there. All right, let me concentrate and get on down the road. I'll holler back.